What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here on this channel. So in this video we are going to understand positional arguments in programming. So positional arguments are a fundamental concept in programming where values are passed to functions in a specific order, and the function then processes these values based on their position in the argument list rather than by name. And this approach is universal across most programming languages including Python, JavaScript, and also Java. So here are common errors and best practices. So for common error such as missing arguments, there's a type error for missing required positional argument, and then too many arguments has a type error which takes 2 positional arguments but 3 were given. There's also wrong argument type, and this type error can't multiply sequence by non-integer. So what are the best practices? So you have to limit positional arguments to 3 to 5 for readability, and then use keyword arguments for optional parameters, and then you have to document the expected order and type of arguments by also considering use naming parameters for complex functions. So that's it for this video. If you don't understand anything, do also post it in the comment section. Yeah, that's it for now.